What's up, everybody? So I was using my KitchenAid mixer to make some pound cake, and well, this happened. So I was going really fast to whip the butter, and this thing loosened. This metal cap fell into my bowl, ended up burning out the motor. So that's what the inside looks like. That's all grease. That's okay. You want that there. That's expected because you want to keep all of that nice and greased up. So basically what happened is too much pressure or load was put on the motor, and it broke these two teeth on this gear, this plastic gear. And that's okay. It's a fail-safe. It's meant to break if the motor gets overloaded, so that nothing else gets overloaded. So now I got to take this off and replace it. All right, it works. Woo.